Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover together how to use the joystick on Massey Ferguson telehandlers. The joystick brings together a wide range of hydraulic functions. Its different movements control the following operations: lifting, lowering, tilting, and crowing. If your machine is equipped, the joystick also includes the float position and bucket shake functions. To activate float mode, first make sure the automatic boom suspension is deactivated. Then, hold down the dedicated button while pushing the joystick fully down. The indicator light on the dashboard will flash, confirming that the function is active. To use the bucket shake function, tilt the bucket forward and press the bucket shake button to help empty it more efficiently. You can also use this function in crow position to evenly distribute the load inside the bucket. The left-hand roller controls the extension and retraction of the boom. The right-hand roller is dedicated to the front auxiliary hydraulic circuit. Pushed downwards, it provides auxiliary oil flow, e.g., to open grapple tines. Pushed upwards, it provides reverse flow, e.g., to close grapple tines. When both LEDs on the auxiliary hydraulics button are lit, a continuous flow is also sent to the female coupling, ideal for attachments such as a sweeper. To stop continuous flow, push the roller again, press the auxiliary flow button, or use the joystick lock button. If your telehandler is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, you can use the auto grab function. This allows you to preset a timed flow with a single press of the roller. In addition to having both LEDs switched on, make sure the function is activated in the screen settings and set the flow durations for both directions. Once set, a single press on the roller will automatically open or close the grab fully. You now know how to use the joystick on your Massey Ferguson telehandler. It's your turn to try.